Alright, what's up guys? So here's where we're at with this whole entire project so far. I got a can of red spray paint because I ordered a red battery box to put on the front. So while I was waiting for that to get here, I decided, like, let me start painting it up. Let me start like just designing it. I don't like to waste time. So I got some red paint. I took off the red seat bars and I painted them up. I took off the little metal mount that like holds the headlights in. I painted that. I got new hand grips that are red and black. The whole scheme of like my vehicles recently have been red and black. Like the little scooter I have, red and black. The little mini bike I have that you guys haven't even seen yet, red and black. My car, red and black. And now this, red and black. But the problem is that battery box was supposed to be here right now. It would have been here right now, but the UPS driver didn't see the house because it's kind of tucked up in the woods, and I literally watched him drive right past, and I just figured, you know, maybe he was just like hitting another house first and coming back. I don't know, so I didn't want to chase him down, and but I called them, we got it situated, and they said he's gonna try to bring it back. So now we got to wait. Then we gotta chase down the freaking UPS truck. Look at that, PJ. That clips right over, official Honda sign. And the key thing goes in here, the two lights, I put it right in there.
That does look nice. It just needs it still needs the original problem that it needed. We didn't fix that yet. I mean, we kind of did because we got it to run. We ghetto rigged it up so it'll work, but we still need to attach the ignition, man. We got to find a way to attach the ignition so that way it'll pass inspection, because, you know, they're not going to let me just start sticking wires together and be like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. You know, they're not going to let me do that. So we got to do it the right way. I ain't no electrician. I don't know how this stuff works. But I promise you one thing, we will figure out how to get it to work.
And I did, man. I got it figured out. And I realized that all you need for this system is a 2-wire ignition. And it needs to have a black wire and a red wire. It could be a button. It could be an on-off switch. It could be anything as long as it has an on and off switch and it has a black wire and a red wire coming out the back. So simply, all you seriously have to do is attach the red and green wire to the red wire, and then connect the black wire coming out of the back of the ignition into the relay to the middle red wire. It's hard for me to explain, and if you guys want me to do it, I will make another video on it later. But yeah, red and green wire to the red wire, and the black wire to the middle red wire on the relay, and then your on and off switch, it works, man. The ignition now works. You can put a key in it, you can put a button in it, like I said, and man, it's ready.
Oh, and one of the things that I forgot to mention while I was filming that last clip about the ignition is that all I really have to do now is find a way to get that to sit up in there, or order a new one that's actually meant for it, or just, you know, make a little piece and make it work to get it to sit right up in there, and then it will pretty much be complete. And then we got to get these two little lights mounted in here. One of them is the headlights and high beams, and then the other one is the gas. It lights up when you have low gas, which I could have used because a couple days ago this happened. You know, my car's in the garage currently because it ran out of gas, and somehow it made the whole computer shot. And you would think I would learn, but I was riding around and I ran out of gas. You would think I would learn, but nope. But luckily I had somebody that was able to bring me a gallon of gas, so we got this thing filled up. It started right back up, and we were able to get this show back on the road. Now let's get to these fluids, man. My temperature light kept coming on my speedometer, man, saying that my water temperature or whatever was too high, which meant that the coolant wasn't doing its job. So I pulled over on the side of the road the one day, and I realized that the tube was literally detached from the little thing that it's supposed to go into on the carburetor. I'm sorry, I'm not technical. I don't know all these names. But all the coolant was just running out onto the road underneath me, and the engine was overheating. So I got that reattached, filled it up with 50-50 coolant, antifreeze, no water needed, and we got that going. And then look at this. This was the oil change, man. The one on the left is the old oil. Like, look how dirty and nasty all that is. The stuff on the right is the fresh new oil, and we dumped that up in there, and you know, got it running clean. And I was shocked to see that there was no there was no air filter in it at all. So I ordered a new one, and in the meantime I decided to just cut up a piece of studio foam that I had laying around the house and shove it in there, and it worked. It did its job temporarily, you know, but we needed to get the real thing up in there because, as you can see, it wasn't lasting long. So we got that in, it fit perfectly, and yeah, now that's good. The most of the fluids are good. I think that's pretty much it, man.
All right, guys, so to end this, I'm sorry for any of the wind that you can, like, it's picking up right now, but I can't really help it, man. It's windy outside, and I just wanted to get out and ride, but I also needed to get this video done, so I was like, I'm just gonna pull over. It looks like it's about to rain, but we're gonna get this video done real quick. So, as you guys may or may have not noticed in the other clips, there is already a license plate on there, which means it's street legal, man. I'm out here zipping around already, and I'm gonna wait till the third part of this little series thing to explain more and to go into more depth of like the registration process from Virginia to Pennsylvania and all that, like the titling and how all that happened. We're gonna do some like I got some off-roading clips and stuff. Off-roading clips for whatever you could do, whatever the equivalent to that would be on this freaking thing, man. You know, we took it back in the woods though. We tried to find a waterfall and all that. It was pretty fun. It's pretty fun. We got some clips around the city and doing some little adventuring, and yeah, I can't wait to share that with you guys and see where this journey takes us. Like, should we go deeper into this thing? Should we invest more into this thing, you know, and get it like back to 100% like fully? Or should we get something a little bit faster? I don't know, man. I don't know. So, but for right now, I'm happy with it, man. And I hope you guys have been enjoying this journey so far. It's only part 2, you know, and it's about to be over, but still, it's a little short journey. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Leave some recommendations down below. I don't know, just talk to me about this stuff, man. It's a new interest of mine. So, you know, I want to connect with more people out here that are into this type of stuff. Mopeds, motorcycles, street and trail, all that stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna go before it like pours down rain on me and the wind just blows me away. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching as always, and cheer again. Peace.